I'm Anita from Global Baby. I just have a customer coming in to pick up Mutsy i2, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you. And then back wheels are a bit larger. So with your front wheels you've got a left and a right, and they're always going to go with the springs facing inwards, so you see the nice outside. So just down here you've got these little black sliders, and that's how you'll unlock the wheels. So they've got the 360-degree swivel. So if you were going like across the grass or somewhere bumpy and you want a bit more, what's the word, you want it to be more stable, you don't want the wheels to go all like that in the grass, you can just really easily lock them here. And now they're locked, so it's going to be easier to push when you're walking along the bumpy ground. And then when your baby first arrives, you'll be using the carry cot for maybe the first 6 months or so. It's really annoying like that. This colour is Pure Cloud, one of our more popular colours in 2019. Love this colour. So let's take a look. Really nice grey, got kind of a flat, smooth grey at the bottom and then a mile grey at the top. It's maybe a little bit blue, a little bit of blue in your grey. So that just clicks in there, no adapters, easy peasy. One really nice thing about this stroller is you can open up the hood, and now you've got a bit of airflow in summer, good for the summer babies. And then this is an apron, we call it, and you can snap that on with the domes on the inside, and then there are magnets on the outside that just hold it so that it looks really smart. You've got a couple of zips here for your phone, credit cards, whatever, while you're out shopping. And just the 2 buttons on the side, then you can lower the hood down as well. Also in here, every one of them comes with a mosquito net. And you just zip it on. It's got the, what do they call that? An open-ended zip. And then a piece of Velcro at the top to hold it. What I like about Mutsy, everything's just really smart. It looks really like slick. That's my Kiwi accent. There we go. So that's zipped on. A little bit of in here. Okay, so that is your mosquito net. Looks really nice and smart. Just fits perfectly. Everything with Mutsy is like that. Just always looks nice and smooth. The hood, just here you can attach that, it sits there held in place with the magnets as well. You've got the matching vegan leather. And now I'll show you the seat. So to remove the carry cot, there's just these little sliders underneath here. You can slide that one off, lift it out nice and easily. And then for the seat, it's pretty easy to assemble as well. So you can set this up with baby facing you or facing away. I always like to have baby facing me. You can see, if they're happy or or not. You can talk to them as you're walking, and I don't know, it's just nice. It's just nice. My baby is 19 months, and she just this week decided that she wants to face the other way. Well, I think that's what she was telling me anyway. She wanted to face the world instead of looking at me. You know, when they're babies, their favourite thing to look at in the world is you, so it's nice. And then there's the hood, and that just slides in as well. Get a nice satisfying click when it's in place. There's your hood, and then you've got a zip in there so you can extend the hood as well. Something going on here. There we go. The seat has a really nice 4-step recline, so when baby's lying flat, they're lying completely flat, they're not in a seated position, lying backwards with their legs up in the air. You can turn them around the other way as well, so it's just the same sliders that we use to remove the carry cot, and we can just turn this around and slide it in. When it's facing forward, it is a really nice kind of sleek look. You've got your toddler footrest here. When you pull the canopy out, you've got your peekaboo window as well that can just roll back, be held back by the Velcro, and of course baby can recline facing you or facing away. Really nice basket as well, easy to access all your things. And the last thing I want to show you, I might show you I'll show you the rain cover first. Okay, so you've got the seat on there. You can do this facing you or facing away. This is the rain cover. And the rain cover has the zip in it as well. So if you've got that hood extended, you can extend the rain cover to fit perfectly. Or else keep it closed for this setup that I've got at the moment. And there we go. There's some Velcro so you can hold it onto the frame. Just have it looking really good. So that's the rain cover. I'll show you the sun cover. I really like the sun cover. I mean, I like everything, but it's really nice net. I call it net. And then the sun cover, same situation. It's got the zip there, so you know, in summer you quite often will have that hood extended for a bit of extra shade. So you can open the zip as well to make it fit the hood perfectly. And it also has this piece of, what do you call that? Wire, let's call it wire, like boning kind of in there, so it's not kind of sitting flat against the child, it's still giving them a bit of space, and you just put that around there. So that's the zip. If I wanted to extend the hood. And it also has a little gap in here, so you can still recline the seat when the cover's on, which is, I reckon, quite clever. Do love the design. There we go. So you've just got in here a little gap, so you can still get to the recline. Oh, I forgot to show you, you can extend the handlebar for tall people. The Mutsy is a Dutch brand, so you know, if you've been to Holland, they're all pretty tall. So even I'm like short over there. So it's kind of set up as a good setup for tall people. And then the last thing I want to show you is the Maxi Cozy adapters. So you can buy those separately, and that'll allow you to put a capsule on there. Super convenient. Like if the baby falls asleep in the car while you're out and about, you can just put the adapters onto the frame and then, you know, pop into the supermarket for the library, wherever you pop in quickly without disturbing bubs. So I really like that feature. It's not really if you're going to be out all day or doing lots of things, then I'd use the carry cot because it is better for baby to be flat. But for just popping in somewhere, this is a really good solution. This capsule that I've put on here is the Be Safe Easy Go Modular. Beautiful capsule, really good Norwegian brand, really well known for their safety. So that will click on as well. A lot of brands will use the Maxi Cozy system. So if you buy Maxi Cozy adapters, there's like 6 or 7 capsules that will fit in there. So check it out if you're, if you've got a capsule maybe that's been gifted to you or whatever, you might be able to use the adapters. And then put that back. And just a little trick if baby's asleep because they're, a little bit heavier, what I do is kind of lift on the handle and pull these one at a time. And the fold, to show you the fold. Now, one cool thing is you can fold it with the adapters on. You can't do that with every brand, so that's super convenient too. All about just having less niggly things to have to do when you're out with your baby. If you have the seat facing away, you can fold it with the seat on, all in one. And what I tend to do is just put the brake on, so then it's not going to roll around in the back of the car. That's a bit annoying while you're driving. And then the unfold is just like that. You can't fold it with the seat on if it's facing away, so then you do a 2-piece fold. It's not a major hassle. If you've got like an SUV or a station wagon, you can put them in side by side into the boot, and then it means it's like less to lift as well, less weight. One last thing is you can stand it up on its end. This is really cool if you've got, not so much space in the garage. I mean, no one has heaps of space in their garage. So you can fold it up. You can just stand it up on its end so it's taking up less space. And then if you're going on holiday and you want it to take up even less space in your car, super, super easy to pop the wheels off. And then it just goes in the car like that. There we go, and unfolded. So that is it. That's a Mutsy i2. The colour is Pure Cloud. Beautiful colour. I think you'll really like it. So come in and see us at Global Baby. We're at 161 Manuko Road in Epsom, or you can shop online.